Paano mo malaman if it's legit? One of the resources na ginagamit namin is yung Facebook lang mismo ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Pag makita mo doon na meron yung mga cease and desist order, that is a sign na huwag ka na mag-invest doon. Pangalawa naman is you can also try to do a research through Google pa rin or YouTube or even social media. Ano yung sinasabi ng mga ibang tao about that certain investment as well. Pag bangko yung ini-invest mo, kailangan regulated na siya ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Kung hindi siya regulated dyan, then wag. Pagdating naman sa mga solicit ng mga investments, like yung pera mo daw kay ipa-grow nila, tapos wala silang license from the Securities and Exchange Commission na secondary license to solicit investments from the public, then wag ka mag-invest doon. And also, one principle that everyone here can take advantage from is that if it's too good to be true, then it is probably a scam. Yung 5,000 mo daw, magiging 20,000 pesos sa loob ng isang buwan. Wala kang kailangan gawin. Mag-invest ka lang. Kami na bahala dyan, etc. etc. That is a big probability na scam yan siya. And it is mostly a Ponzi scheme. Another principle, never ever get yourself involved in anything that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be. Kahit na yung mga kaibigan mo ay sinasabi nila, oh, kumita na ako ng pera dito, pero kung hindi mo naintindihan kung paano sila kumikita ng pera, do not get yourself involved.